Arnam langpi KSA branch atung pen patir pi ponsi free coaching kepaduji aputhak Upper Diopani English High School along Kahumrida. Lakhan ko rapli Diopani constituency alo Upper Diopani ahwar along Pini nifai ke thom ani Arnam langpi along KSA president akhai anil sonteron pen patir pi ponsi free coaching kepaduji aputhak Upper Diopani English High School along Kahumrida. Lasonsi KSA mate Karbi Student Associations mate Karbi lo chali asong atum ke aprang penta mithang asai kachot thip atum binong lasonsi nangli tum langdame kedam tang ani kanta anam langpi along KSA atum pen kachali anathu paprang ponangji pukamatha ponajok metric exam result abangke kedam tang ani kan sitame mimut chot a result longpono lason thorsi pining le thota chuning an chu se chot ke mimut chot a result kelong thuji apan anam langpi along KSA atum saideng pontulu lapen Upper Diopani English High School along non kewangji ni phai po anisi free coaching padu ponji mate kangpu ponji apan aning jong pontanglo lapen arnam lang pi KSA president akhai anil sontiron pen student atum phan chetong kang ning ke pate lapen ning ke paru alam hai hu than paritika news desk report DY365 Karbi live.
My name is Pandit Sontiron. Okay. I was residing here in Upper Diopani. In the country, So, I would like to request you all that we, on behalf of our Karbi Association, we would like to organize our free coaching on the 5th of January 2024. Okay. So, lastly, we have organized in last ending like 2022, and that student they are expiring 2023, right? So regarding this, we will going to have again, okay? Again, we will going to have free coaching for the class 10 student. Okay,